Well, y'all, the GT500 is down. I'm about to get towed. It's leaking a bunch of coolant, then it overheated a bit, but I was able to pull over on the side of the road before it overheated for a really long time. I couldn't see it if there was any hoses. It might just be the water pump. It sucks, but this kind of happens when you have a build. So it's not overheating right now. I'm trying to get it pulled up onto the tow truck. But yeah, we're gonna have to see what's up with it when I actually have some light. Right now I'm just trying to get it towed to my house. I'm literally like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes away from my house, and then it overheated like right here. But yeah, just gonna get it towed and we'll see what's up. What's up, y'all? So as you guys saw in the clip I put right before this, the snake is down. I got it towed home last night. Super short video. I'm not doing anything to it today. I just got off work. So yeah, overheated. This is what happened. So I'm on the freeway, right, and then I'm just driving. There's a bunch of traffic, so I'm just driving slow. And then out of nowhere, the needle for the temperature just goes from regular to it just skyrockets to hot, turns red, and not even 2 seconds later, the hood is just filled with white smoke, and I can already smell the coolant. And not even a minute passes before I'm able to just pull over to the side and shut off the car. And then right after that, it was just waiting for the tow to get there. There was coolant everywhere. It took a bit for the smoke to clear. I didn't see any hoses, but it was really dark, so it was kind of hard to tell. So what the plan is now is I'm going to see whether any of the hoses are down, if I have any leaks from anywhere. I'm planning to do a compression test to find the leak. But besides that, like I said, I just haven't had time to do anything since it just happened last night. But best believe I'm gonna get this thing running again. Of course, I'm not gonna let the beast sit here. The plan is to get it fixed really soon because I daily this car, and so right now I'm driving a different car, but I kind of need my car back, and I miss driving it even though it's only been a day. But that's the plan. So that's not really why I haven't been posting videos, but videos are gonna be slower now. Well, besides me fixing it, I'm gonna try to record that as much as I can. But like I said, it's more of trying everything out, seeing what actually is wrong with the car, and then buying whatever I need to buy to actually fix it. But so that's where I stand. That's my little update video on me and the car. But I will have more videos soon as I figure out what's actually wrong with it. But until then, peace out.